Nicolette, and welcome back to my channel.
Summertime in Atlanta, the hottest, so they probably be showing they body. About time I done got me a hottie. FAQS fine and I'm about mine. I go outside, sneaker call on my shawty. Good girl, but I love me.
So guys, I'm currently starting the video in the bathroom because literally there was nowhere else for me to film. Today is moving day, you guys. We are finally moving. I'm gonna try to film the whole day, the whole moving process. So yeah, you guys, we're about to go pick up our U-Haul truck. Savion went to go see if he could get a new phone. So I had just started getting ready and I'm just gonna take you on my moving day. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button below. And let's start the video, you guys. I'm so excited to move. Okay guys, so we're at the U-Haul place. Savion is in there trying to get it. Ow, I really just hurt my nail. It hurts so bad. Yes, I'm just sitting in the car waiting for us to get the U-Haul. I don't know which one he got. All the ones over there look small, but he know what he doing. I'm gonna just stay out of it. I wanted to get breakfast. Don't think we're gonna have time to do that now. I wanted some tropical smoothie. So good. They have this new flatbread and I really want to try that one. And you get points in the app if you try it. So seems like he's gonna come out, you guys. So I'll see y'all in a little minute. So this is a little before view, you guys, of everything we have to move out of our apartment. It's so many big stuff. So let's get started.
Myself and you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you can air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug. And I can't shake this tab enough. I've been down, baby. Every reminiscing. Every young missing you. Wishing was living what it was.
Basically all the big stuff is out of the apartment. I'm gonna show y'all. This is what we here. My vanity and everything is gone. Our bathroom is completely cleaned out. Our room is gone. This is the rest of the stuff in here. Y'all, oh my gosh. I think it's really hitting me. Our closet is completely cleaned out. It's the first thing I did. I think it's really hitting me that we're about to leave and go to a new apartment. Like, I wasn't sad, but it's like starting to, like, everything's starting to feel real, like the echoes. But anyway, y'all, we're gonna continue to keep packing and I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey babe. Look at all our stuff, you guys. Oh my gosh. Literally, I did not think it was gonna fill up a whole U-Haul truck. Hey guys, I am on the way to our new apartment. The day was going so smooth. Everything is still going smooth. The day is still going smooth, but I am in my car. Sorry you guys if it's shaking really badly. I'm driving. I apologize for the shaky camera, you guys, but anyway, so update, I'm in my car, I'm driving and everything, but I don't know where my keys are. The keys are obviously somewhere in the car because I couldn't, start the car and be driving. But I have literally, as you guys can see, all of my things in my car. So it could have fell in a box, it could have fell in some nook or something. I have no idea like where it is. So when we get there, I'm gonna have to figure out where the keys are. Y'all, this is a picture because in the moment I was just too stunned to even realize that this is where my keys were. They were literally on the outside of my car, in the middle between my hood and like my windshield. I literally don't know how the keys could have gotten there. I was just literally so happy that they were still there, y'all. I was literally driving over 70 miles per hour. I drove over like 30 plus minutes and they were still there. This is why me and my car, we're gonna be together till the wheels fall off, because that girl is so faithful to me. Like, I'm so happy. I thank God. Like, this could have went in totally different way. But I have found my keys, y'all. This is literally where they were, and I just could not believe it. And I had to actually include this in the video because I just had to show y'all how crazy that was. I'm headed to our new place. It's so much traffic today. On the way there, I am going to pick up our keys, drop off some things, and then I'm probably gonna run to the Xfinity store to drop off some stuff. And guys, I'm so hungry. I have to find something to eat because I'm literally starving. And that's it for right now. So I will see you guys when we get to our new place. Okay, you guys, so I'm coming live from the new spot, period. So while I was getting food and having my little dilemma, Savion had already been here and he had picked up our keys. We got the keys, y'all. Keys to our new place, new beginnings, period. He had picked up our keys while I was getting food and stuff and started moving some stuff in. Honestly, he did a lot, but we still have a lot left. So we're about to go unload the rest of the truck, you guys. And then I might give you a little tour. I don't know. Or I might just save it for the next video. I don't know yet, y'all. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and go finish helping him take out the stuff. And I'll be right back. Okay, you guys. We are practically done. Wait. Dang. I was like, what?
I'm tired.
Yeah, you guys, so we have officially emptied out everything out of the apartment except for two things. Savion's gonna come back and get it tomorrow, and some trash. But I don't know if you guys can hear the echo because there's nothing in here anymore. Stay tuned for the empty apartment tour coming soon.
We're hiring movers.
Yeah, we ain't doing this ever again, ever in our lives. And then in our new place, we live on the 3rd floor.
Yeah, so we had to literally carry all of this shit up.
3 flights of long ass stairs. Whose idea was it? It's kind of like bittersweet because I'm so happy with our new place. Like I'm actually like really happy now that we've like looked at it and stuff. But like it's like this is our this is our first apartment, like each other's first apartments ever, and then our first apartment together. So it was like 2 memories in one. That's crazy, y'all. Like it all started here.
I'm sad.
I know.
But I'm happy too.
Yeah.
So it negates it.
It's like bittersweet. You guys will see the new place very soon. End of an era, end of our time here. It was good while it lasted.
It was great. Great memories. We did a lot of stuff while we lived here.
Yep.
We upgraded though.
We did.
On to new things.
On to bigger and better things. So yeah, you guys, this is the end of my moving vlog, part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. That'll be uploaded pretty soon. I hope you guys enjoyed saying bye with me. Bye to this chapter of my life. I really feel like I'm gonna shed a tear talking about it right now. It's so weird. Like I was so ready to go and now I'm sad. But anyway, hope you guys love this video. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Love the girls, I love the girls. Swear to God, a nigga feel like every day get another girl. I love the girls, I love the girls, I love the girls. Yeah. I stay under the influence, so all of my babies assuming that I be out acting a foolie.